This is Annie's Questions. Ask me any question, I know the answer. Well, the person who invented screws was Mark Rober. Some people don't really like screws, like this guy.
Who's killing my dog?
Anywho, here's a picture of Mark Rober, as you can see. Yep, that's him.
Who killed my dog?
Anywho, many people think Mark Rober is 26 or something, but he's actually 110. He was born in the year 1492 with his best friend Abraham Lincoln. Here's a little clip of Mark Rober and Abraham Lincoln talking about making their first screws.
Hey, what if we made something that would put two things together? And that would be revolutionary, Mark.
And that's how screws were made. But Mark Rober was having trouble with his wife at the time. His wife was Oprah, which she divorced him because she thought screws would kill dogs, and they actually did. So Mark Rober married Lady Gaga. He had 3 children with her: Dr. Dre, Pee Wee Herman, and a French fry.
Killed my dog!
When he made screws, it was a big success. He made factories all over the world. One of them was a Staples Center. Mark Rober is still alive today, and he lives in Mississippi, Ohio, which is right here. This is how Mark Rober made his first screws. First, he got some melted metal, which you can get at Michael's, Tosto, and McDonald's. Next, he put it in a reverse microwave, which is the opposite of an actual microwave, so it cools things down instead of heating them up. He put it in there for 3 years, and then, voila, you got a screw. That's the end of the video. If you have any more questions, comment down below. Thank you for watching Annie's Questions.
Bloopers!
Did you do it? Daddy, daddy, do. It was a big success. Daddy, daddy. Daddy, 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 do. It was a big success.
Dang, this song's a banger.